everybody, welcome back. Another episode of All Seeing the Sportsman. Today we are going to do a how-to video of how to mount a Mercury recoil suppressor in the buttstock of a gun. So if you come over here trading, there's two hidden screws in this rubber pad on the butt of the stock. We're taking them out so we can get access to the stock of the gun.
You might just have to.
Yeah, screwdriver there, Jerry. We'll save that guy. It's kind of a divider to help the center of your rubber pad. Let's get it done the long ways. Just using a little standard screwdriver to get that styrofoam out of there. Oops.
You're gonna have a mess to clean up.
That's right. If you want scrambled eggs, you gotta break them.
I don't like scrambled eggs.
Well, if you want an omelet, you still gotta break them.
I'm not much of an omelet person either.
No. Too bad.
Wasn't too smart, was it? Oh, I'll probably just clean it up.
I think that's probably about as far down as we're gonna go there, Jerry. I mean, unless I need to go farther. You're good. You gonna fit? You want me to take out some more?
Push it down, then we don't put a piece of dowel on it.
Okay.
Should be good. Really close. Yeah, we might have to pick a little.
Hey, Dad, you got a little something in your beard.
That's all right. Got a little left over for supper. Let's try that.
Can I spray the stuff?
So, Mercury recoil suppressor. C&H Research.
It's a little in the glare.
Can be bought. I think he's selling them at Brownells now, and he's selling them at Best Buy. Or you can order straight from that. So
This is Dad's new 300 Windmag.
Made by Weatherby. It is a Vanguard It does not take, whether it be brass, it takes 300 Winchester Magnum. Bring that over here. Sometimes in the bottom, like with some other rifles, this does not have that styrofoam already poured in there, but you can find flat spots inside the stock of the gun, and then you'd have to put a dowel or something in there, epoxy it, and then epoxy this to the end of that. But in this case, I got lucky enough. We're just going to slide it in there and spray around it.
I think this is the one we use. There is kind of it. Just sticks right down and it kind of sits on the scope. And it's a little different stock.
Get it nice and stabilized on there. What do you think these take out, Jerry? Think 50%, or do you think it takes out more than that of the recoil?
I think it does more than 50.
You got a specific.
Yeah, that's the side that you leave up in case you have to thread it. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, I'm too short.
You're going to want to try to get that parallel with the barrel of your gun. You don't want to kind of kick or wampus in there. Just do the best judgment you can. These do have a threaded end in there, like Jerry was saying. In case if you ever have to take this out, you can thread a bolt in there and you can just pull it right up and out.
Look like they're bucks in the truck, huh?
Oh yeah. That's nice.
Crazy bastards.
Just some simple spray foam sold at your local hardware store. Menards, Home Depot, Lowe's.
There's some little bit for you to stand
Got any
on.
paper towels, Jerry? Yes.
Right here?
Maybe some. You got any?
Do you want lighter ones?
It don't matter. You got any E-tape?
Okay.
All right, so we got some simple electrical tape. I'm going to start right at the very top of that stock of the gun. I want to hold the paper towel up above the top. And just fold that over like a sock. Maybe.
Ripped it.
It's alright, just a paper towel.
I ripped it again.
It still serves it with this though.
Yep. Just to help protect a little bit. Because this stuff is gonna expand. Start a little bit on that side, start a little bit on that side.
Got it on your blue thingy there. So the whole point was to not get it on.
Oh, you guys pick it up.
Yep. There. So we will come back tomorrow And once this foam expands up, we will cut this off the top, the leftover foam, and then we will put that center divider piece for that rubber stock, and we're going to mount that back on. See you guys tomorrow. Well, here we are, day 2. Spray foam is finally set up. We're going to use this little prison shank. We're going to cut this off. We're going to cut it off flush to the top of that stock, the end of the stock here. So now that suppressor is sealed, held in tight. Should be straight down right here. I got these 2 little guides here I got to try to whittle out a little bit. Put that rubber brace back in. So I'm just going to make a little track groove for it.
Morning, Nick. How are you?
Take our protective paper towel off. Make sure your screw holes are nice and clean. You get a big mess in there. On these rubber stocks, if you can't find your screw holes, just kind of spread that apart and you'll see a little slit mark. We'll line our screws back up with our holes. sure you get those screws back in there good and tight. And that's it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you guys next time.